What's up, YouTube? Back with another one, Scotty Inked Up. I got a real interesting video for y'all today. A lot of people been asking me how to do this. If you see these little white things in my hair, I just did a little aloe vera in my shit. But before we get started, y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that. But today, I'm gonna teach y'all how to maintenance your wicks. A lot of people been asking me about doing it and stuff like that. Last video I told you I had those rubber bands on my roots. I'm gonna show y'all why. So, as you can see, I actually just did that one. It ain't pretty, but you know, it's how I like it. See, I got some fuzz and stuff around this one. I don't need my parts to be all straight and pretty. I'll just grab some hair and I'm gonna come over here. We'll pull this dread through that rubber band. I'm only gonna put this rubber band around one time. I'm not gonna tighten it. I'm just trying to get all the hair. I'm not gonna tighten it. So do you see that? See how right around, that's all of the new growth, that the hair that grew out of the wick. Cause you gotta cut, when you got dreads, you have to cut. You have to cut your hair to part it. That's the only way that you're gonna be able to get like nice straight parts, or you're gonna have like weird ass zigzag parts and stuff like that. But check it out. Let me show y'all this something right quick. Try to. I'm not good at doing this. Trying to do it in a video. I like my hook. Let me see if this focus. I don't know if you can see the little, how that hook is right there. It's like a little hook. So you take that, and you can just like right on the outside of the dread. You can see I'm not too deep. You see that? I'm not too deep. I like to take the hair, fold it over, right? As I pass my finger through, it grabbed that hair. Did you hear that? It's grabbing some of the hair, and I'm pulling it to the inside. And then I'm gonna just come, and I'm gonna work my way all the way around that. Showed y'all already, we'll step back. I see people take their new growth and wrap it tight around the root. I'm not a fan of that. This is actually kind of hard to do on your own head. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not a fan of the tight roots. I don't like it. It don't look like plaits, like little girl plaits. That's what they look like to me when they so tight on the root. I'm all at the bottom right now, getting that hair down in the middle. Let me see if I take the rubber band off, see how it came out. And then you see that. I can work it a little more, but I like mine to be a little rough. Over here, I got some that came out but it kind of doesn't bother me. You know what? I'll work on that one for y'all. This video gonna be long as fuck, but hey, whatever. That's what people want to see, right? So, like I said again, get that rubber band around your root. This is just how I like to do it. I find it's easier because perfect example, it put all that hair right there for you. Look at that. Right there. It put it right there. Like my root's not all tight. Look at that. Look at that puff on my root. Root's not all tight. And my hair wet right now also. I'm not gonna say it's wet, but it is damp from the aloe vera. Just hold these over there. Well, I'll do this last one for y'all. This heavy as fuck over there, but let's get it. But like I was saying, this one right here doesn't really bother me because it's on the side and it's like it don't be sticking up and shit. So, like I showed y'all, keep your hook. See if I can get that in there. Focus that for y'all. You can kind of see it a little bit, but that hook should be pointed up. And what you're doing, I'm holding the dread in between my fingers like this. And I would take this finger, fold the hair over. I would stick it up through the dread, move the hair on that hook, and I pull it through my fingers like that. And I stop, try to unhook it in the hair, boom, it's in the middle. If you do that, I'm not gonna promise that you're not gonna have no hair come out, but you're probably not gonna have no hair come out. But it's gonna eventually, new growth gonna start growing, and you know, it's gonna come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one for y'all. And I'm gonna shut the video down. Cause it ain't like y'all know, y'all really even care about it, niggas. Y'all ain't got me up to 1,000 subscribers yet. And yes, you do have to go around in a circle if you don't want flat spots in your dreads, or your wicks, or your locks, or whatever you want to call them. Oh, and y'all see what I did? Y'all see that? I still gotta break that bottom a little bit, but you know, y'all see what the fuck going on. You might well start open me a shop, start doing wicks. Psych. It is a long process. A very long process. It took the professionals 8 hours to finish my already wicked hair. Like my shit was wicked when I went to Florida already. And it still took her 8 hours to do my hair. Now watch, I'm gonna pull the rubber band off, look at that. Oops, piece came out. I missed. That ain't that most of it cut. I'm about to put that in there. And that was actually some new growth from a dread. You can see how the pattern, like the little curl pattern. That was one of them that had to be cut. It's just hard to keep that shit in there, especially the way I move my dreads around on a daily. Like I'm always trying to do something with them, pulling the hair out. As you can see, I'm not wrapping my hair tight around my root and none of this shit. I'm leaving the hair right where it's at and I'm pulling it in place where it needs to be. Once you learn how to do this, like you're gonna get the feel. I don't even think I'm close enough to that. You're gonna get the feel. You're gonna feel the hair moving. I'm gonna show y'all something too. I'm gonna twist this up a little bit. I'm gonna twist this hair around this crochet hook because it's just not cooperating with me. And I'm gonna put that shit on there. There go my kids. Can't make videos long. As you can hear, it's not a real ripping sound. It's just a small, like it's not, you shouldn't be whoosh, whoosh, like you biting a damn apple or something. You see, I got that in. You see that? Long hair, long cap. But yeah, y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment, share it on your page, your Instagram page. Tell your friends. If you're trying to look to get some wicks, you know, tell your friends, come look at mine. I personally feel like I got the best looking wicks that ever was made. Like, and my girl did them first, so in that case, like my shit, I got the coldest fucking wicks. Like, you know. But yeah, man, y'all fuck with me. And look, we need to reach 1,000 subscribers. Like, come on, man. What's now? Like, what y'all gonna? I mean, to tell me y'all ain't gonna help me get 1,000 subscribers. I got 400 followers, and like, I haven't even been trying. So, like, I'm actually trying now. So y'all, you know what they're gonna do, man. Fuck with me.